Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to add transparent signature or logo on any image file in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the gallery application. And now just open the respective image file where you want to add a transparent signature or logo. Now just click on this pencil-like icon. Now just click on this smiley icon. Now just click on this stickers option. Now you will see here one icon here, the gallery icon. Just click on it. Now just click on this plus icon. Now select the transparent signature or logo. Click on next, click on done. Now just tap and hold and drag it wherever you want to place it. So say I want to place it here, and you can even resize it, you can rotate it even depending upon your needs, and even you can flip it. So you can see here, you can copy it or you can delete it also depending upon your needs. So once you're done, you can either save it or you can just click on these three dot icons and you can save as copy also. So now you can see here, so the earlier one is without a signature and the edited one is with a signature. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily add transparent signature or logo on any image file in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.